Welcome, in front of me I have LG K50s and the AirPods, and I will show you how you can connect this to the device. So at first you have to simply open notification bar, then click and hold Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. Right now you have to open charging case of your AirPods, then rotate case like that and click and hold this button. So let's make it. When the indicator starts blinking, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So right now we can release that key, tap on the switcher. When they pop on the list, we have to simply tap on them to connect, click pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.